What's up, everybody? So we are at the airport and getting ready to leave, heading out to San Diego through San Francisco. So, as you can see, just sitting here, mom and dad. Mom, mom, say hi. Dad, say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad. Hi.
They are busy on Facebook and mom is playing cards, and the boys are over there standing in line. Standing in line.
Just posted it.
For what?
Son's leaving.
Hey. And my dad just posted on Facebook. So getting ready to leave. Just checking in now. We'll be in San Diego soon. A couple hours. So until we get ready to take off, I'll see you in a little bit. Peace.